Ready to gear up your DIY station with some truly cool and underrated tools from Amazon? Whether you're a weekend warrior or a workshop wizard, here are 12 tools that bring serious power, precision, and versatility. Let's dive in. Number 1. If you're someone who loves precision and hates wasting time fumbling with drill bits, the WorkPro 2-piece quick-release bit holder is a total game changer. It includes two 3-inch extensions designed for tight and tricky spots. Just snap a bit in and get to work. The auto-lock mechanism keeps things secure with zero fuss, so you can switch bits quickly without worrying about slips or wobbles. Plus, it's got a triple ball bearing locking system that keeps everything stable, even when you're working at awkward angles or overhead. Built from chrome vanadium steel, it's tough, rust-resistant, and made to last in rough environments. Whether you're driving screws into wood, fixing a bike, or working with an impact driver, this bit holder adapts with ease. And the ergonomic grip? It's seriously comfortable, especially for long sessions. It's one of those tools that quietly levels up your whole workflow without making a big fuss about it. Just solid, smart design. Number 2. If you work with PEX piping, the PEX Pipe Cutter is one of those tools that just gets it right. It's sharp enough to make clean, burr-free cuts with almost no effort, even on thicker pipes, thanks to its heat-treated blade. The handle feels solid and comfy in your hand, with a non-slip grip that helps during long or awkward jobs. The spring-loaded action makes cutting feel smooth and snappy. It practically does the work for you. Whether you're installing a full bathroom or just fixing a single connection, this cutter's lightweight, compact design makes it easy to carry in a tool bag or tuck into a drawer. It's designed to save time, reduce hand fatigue, and deliver consistent results that look like pro work, even if you're doing it in your garage. A smart grab for both experienced plumbers and everyday DIYers tackling home repairs. It just makes cutting clean and satisfying. Number 3. If you're tired of struggling with imprecise cuts on small wires and zip ties, these diagonal flush cutters by Klein tools might just become your new best friend. They effortlessly slice through fine materials like zip ties and wires up to 16 Aruban florins, delivering a flat, flush cut that leaves no jagged edges behind. The flush cutting design means you can work in those tight, hard-to-reach spots without any hassle. Even when you're tackling repetitive tasks, the comfortable handling and a reliable steel return spring make every snip feel smooth and controlled. The tool's ultra-slim profile ensures you can access confined spaces with ease, while its heat-treated construction promises long-lasting durability that stands up to regular use. Whether you're a professional looking for precision or a DIY enthusiast needing a dependable tool, these cutters provide the performance and convenience you can count on every time you reach for them. Number 4. Looking for a tool that makes your wiring work feel less like a chore? The WG-GE-WG-014 self-adjusting insulation wire stripper could be just what you need. This 3-in-1 tool effortlessly strips, cuts, and crimps wires ranging from 10 Aruban florins to 24. You can rely on its self-adjusting jaws to work perfectly with both copper and aluminum cables. The thumbwheel micro-adjusting swivel knob is a game changer when handling smaller wires, ensuring precise, clean results every time. Designed with a non-slip comfort grip, it minimizes hand fatigue during long projects, providing maximum leverage and control. Built to last with specially hardened steel and precision coating, this tool is crafted for efficiency and durability. Whether you're a seasoned electrician or a DIY enthusiast, the WG-GE-WG-014 simplifies your workflow and delivers professional-grade performance. It makes every wiring task effortless and enjoyable. Number 5. Imagine having a toolbox that can tackle everything from delicate bike repairs to heavy maintenance tasks. The Koobast 49 pieces Torx screwdriver set is that versatile companion, coming with a complete range of bits and sockets to handle any screw or bolt you encounter. With a preset torque range of 10 to 70 inch-pounds and an accuracy of ±2, you always know you're tightening your fasteners just right. The easy-to-read digital display and clear redline guide ensure you hit the exact torque without error. When you reach the preset torque, a click and sound signal let you know the job's done. Setting the desired torque is simple. Just unlock the wheel, adjust, and lock it back in place. It's a reliable, precise tool that brings comfort, efficiency, and confidence to all your repair projects, whether at home or on the go. This comprehensive kit simplifies all repairs. Number 6. Imagine having a staple gun that adapts effortlessly to every project on your to-do list. The WorkPro Staple Gun is your versatile partner for decoration, carpentry, and even furniture fixes. With its 6-in-1 functionality, you can use T50, JT21, T20, T25 staples, 18-gauge brad nails, or even pins, eliminating the constant hassle of changing tools. Its unique dual power lever with high and low settings makes it reliable on both hard and soft materials, from weather stripping and insulation to upholstery and small fencing. You'll love how simple it is to load staples thanks to the patented mechanism that prevents jamming, and the quick-release bottom magazine speeds up your workflow. The ergonomic rubberized grip reduces hand fatigue during long sessions, while the retractable handle lock saves precious space in your toolbox. This staple gun is built to make your work smoother and more efficient, an innovation that transforms every project truly. Number 7. Imagine having a wrench set that adapts to every challenging repair scenario. The Dyson upgraded double-jointed, extra-long flex head ratchet wrenches fold into a convenient Z shape, letting you twist and turn in narrow, deep spaces where regular tools just don't reach. With extra-long handles that are nearly twice the length of standard wrenches, you gain leverage and comfort during car repairs or pipe work, reaching those awkward spots with ease. The enhanced gray nickel plating on high-quality chrome vanadium steel offers not only a sleek bronze-like appearance, but also clear, durable size markings that won't fade under heavy use. This 7-piece set, including 6 versatile ratchet wrenches covering sizes from 8 to 19 millimeters and an ergonomic magnetic pickup tool, is designed with your comfort in mind. The magnetic tool prevents back strain by effortlessly retrieving bolts or wrenches, making every repair job smoother and more efficient. Number 8. Imagine a creative tool that puts a mini workshop in your hand. The Gaui Rotary Toolkit comes with an impressive 140 pieces of accessories, letting you drill, cut, engrave, polish, and sand with incredible ease. Its quick-change keyless chuck accepts bits from 1/64 to 1/8 inch, so swapping tools is fast and secure, keeping your workflow smooth when you need to switch tasks frequently. With variable speeds ranging from 8,000 to 30,000 RPM, you have full control over delicate engravings and robust grinding jobs alike. The flexible shaft fits comfortably like a pen, making your detailed work effortless and precise. Additional features like the drill locator and diamond cutting wheel prepare you for projects involving wood, glass, tile, and more. Compact, lightweight, and whisper quiet, this high-performance kit is perfect for both serious DIY enthusiasts and creative crafters looking to elevate their projects. Number 9. Imagine having a portable glue gun that's ready to work in just 15 seconds, making all your creative projects a breeze. The EZRA Cordless Hot Glue Gun offers unmatched convenience for DIY crafts, home repairs, and decorations, freeing you from the hassle of cords and outlets. Its fast preheating, lightweight design, and compact form ensure you can effortlessly take it anywhere from your living room to an outdoor workspace. The innovative anti-drip system delivers a smooth and consistent glue flow, reducing waste and keeping your projects neat. Safety is built right in with an automatic power-off that activates after 5 minutes of inactivity, along with battery and heating indicators for peace of mind. Rechargeable via USB-C with a 2,500 mAh battery, it guarantees reliable performance every time you need it. With 30 mini glue sticks included, this glue gun is a must-have tool for anyone who loves practical, efficient crafting. Number 10. Looking for a precise and reliable tool to set up your concealed hinges? The Adol's 35mm concealed door hinge kit is a game changer, designed to help you install cabinet hinges with pinpoint accuracy. Crafted from premium aluminum alloy, this jig offers exceptional durability and performance that DIY enthusiasts and professionals appreciate. It features an adjustable double clamping plate that securely holds wood panels anywhere from 15 to 25 millimeters thick, ensuring accurate alignment every time. The design lets you drill at multiple angles quickly and effortlessly, thanks to adjustable opening depths between 10 and 15 millimeters and a flexible drilling edge distance from 3 to 7 millimeters. With the upgraded 3-bearing drill sleeve, providing stability for a precise drill bit swing, this tool makes every hole count. Whether you're upgrading kitchen cabinets or working on custom furniture, this hinge jig streamlines your installation process, saving you time while delivering results that look professionally done. Number 11. Imagine having a compact welding tool that fits right in your hand and tackles your battery welding projects with ease. The handheld 18650 battery spot welder integrates a power supply and welder pen in one unit, weighing only 140 grams for brilliant portability at home or on the go. Its minimalist LCD display lets you adjust settings like temperature, trigger time, and power levels up to 99, while auto and manual modes let you tailor every weld. With adjustable dual modes and built-in safety features, including an automatic shutoff when the temperature reaches 60 degrees, this tool delivers a worry-free experience. Designed for one-handed operation, it is perfect for welding a variety of lithium batteries, cell phone batteries, and more. Multilingual support in 7 languages extends its versatility. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, this spot welder makes battery pack production efficient and reliable. It truly impresses always. Number 12. Imagine having a tool that makes your tough DIY projects suddenly a breeze. This tungsten carbide scraper is designed for maximum efficiency in stripping away stubborn layers of wood paint, glue, or wallpaper. The heavy-duty metal body and durable carbide blade tackle even the most persistent residues without damaging the underlying surfaces. Its 50mm steel blade offers precision and stability, making it a perfect companion for home improvement, cabinet refinishing, or cleaning up after a busy day's work. Whether you're removing old paint, stripping wallpaper, or cleaning up glue, this versatile scraper delivers performance you can count on. It's not only a reliable alternative to the Stanley scraper, but it's engineered to handle different surfaces with ease, ensuring clean and smooth results every time. Ready to reclaim your space and refresh your projects? This tool is built to last and makes every job more efficient. It truly transforms your workflow.